We have students that can compete with any in the world. We have an administration that recognizes the need for innovation and entrepreneurship in the liberal arts context. And we have an alumni network that I believe is unrivaled.
Housed prominently in the Rockwell Integrated Sciences Center, the Dyer Center allows all of the disciplines and students to participate in the activities of innovation and entrepreneurship.
They're going to practice at Lafayette, so when they go to work, they're going to be ready to go. Work with people from diverse backgrounds, connect the dots, and make a difference.
Employers want employees that are creative, innovative, can work collaboratively, and I think that's what the Dyer Center is doing.
Lafayette is particularly well suited to be a leader in the field of innovation and entrepreneurship.
Over the outer radius.
Our tremendous strength in both liberal arts and engineering offers a perfect springboard for students to think differently and think creatively about what their own impact can be.
The Dyer Center operates on 3 different dimensions. Curricular consists of courses around innovation and entrepreneurship. Co-curricular includes our competitions, our workshops, the opportunities outside of the classroom. The final dimension is experiential. We provide students funding and space to apply the skills to problems they are passionate about solving.
Take because they have to.
We can't let this sit around only partially funded. We've laid the tracks, we've bought the locomotive. Now we need to put some boxcars on those tracks. And time is of the essence.
We need engagement. We need participation that will allow us to compete for the best and brightest students. And so we need alums to contribute their time, their talent, and their treasure to achieve our end objective.
We want to ignite exemplary careers. We want creative thinking, and we want intelligent risk-taking.
I'll be leaving Lafayette having started my own business in my dorm room here on campus.
I feel like I'm thinking less like an engineer and more like an entrepreneur.
You connect with other professionals, other students who help you grow. So I think it prepares me for what's coming after Lafayette.